Tilt the grill body sideways, then unfold the 4 grill legs. Place the grill body upright. Open the latches on both sides of the grill body. Open the grill lid. Place the 2 grill heat plates into the grill body, and make sure both ends rest on the support brackets. Insert one side of the cooking grate into the retaining slot to install it. Then press or slide the cooking grate to confirm it is properly installed. Align the oil drip box with the slide rails, then push the oil drip box forward to install. Unscrew the plastic protective cap from the gas inlet. Align the hose connector of the pressure reducing valve and hose assembly with the gas inlet, then tighten it securely. Attach the hose hook. Attach the regulator inlet of the pressure reducing valve and hose assembly to the hose hook. Connect the regulator inlet to the gas tank and tighten it securely. Turn the valve handle counterclockwise to allow gas flow. Press and turn the right gas control knob counterclockwise to ignite the right burner. Press and turn the left gas control knob counterclockwise to ignite the left burner. Turn the gas control knobs counterclockwise to decrease the flame. Turn the gas control knobs clockwise to increase the flame. Press and turn the gas control knobs clockwise to turn off the flame. After turning off the flame in the gas tank valve, disconnect the regulator from the gas tank, then let the grill cool down completely. Lift the mounting end of the oil drip box. Pull the oil drip box slowly out along the slide rail. After cleaning, place the 2 grill heat plates into the oil drip box, then reinstall the oil drip box. Unscrew the pressure-reducing valve and hose assembly. Remove the hose hook and the pressure-reducing valve and hose assembly, and store them inside the grill body. After closing the lid, lock the latches on both the left and right sides. Grasp the handle on the front of the grill body and lift the grill. Then fold the 4 grill legs.